If you're looking for ways to track an LBC Express delivery in the Philippines, here are the easiest ways to do it. One of the fastest options is Ship24. Just enter your tracking number in the search field and click Search to see the latest update on your package. It's a simple way to check your parcel status, follow its progress, and stay updated on where it is during delivery. You can also track your shipment on the official LBC tracking page or through the LBC Connect app. Just open the website or app, enter your LBC Express tracking number, and tap Track to view the latest status and estimated delivery timeframe. Both Ship24 and the official LBC website can give you updated shipment details, so you can easily see how your package is moving. If you'd rather ask someone directly, you can also visit an LBC branch for tracking assistance. Just give them your tracking number or reference code, and the staff can help check your shipment status for you. With your tracking number ready, you can easily check your LBC Express delivery through Ship24, the official LBC website, the app, or at a local branch. Visit ship24.com for more tracking guides.